Hello, my name is Shyla Davison, and I will be talking to you about a new specimen of Monosaulax typicus from the Mascall Formation of the Twin Buttes locality in the Crooked River Basin, Oregon. Monosaulax typicus was an early beaver that roamed Central Oregon during the Middle Miocene about 15 million years ago. This specimen was found in the Mascall Formation of the Twin Buttes locality near Paulina, Oregon. This is a special location as it produces exceptionally well-preserved fossils in an area where fossils are usually exposed and weathered prior to burial. I have diagnosed 2 specimens of Monosaulax typicus, but we will only be focusing on a fragment of a right jaw of an individual for this presentation. These specimens are important because they are the most complete remains of Monosaulax typicus that have ever been found. The other specimens that have been identified are only individual teeth. This specimen was identified to the genus Monosaulax due to the faucetids and striads present on the P4. Just for reference, faucetids are the hole-like structures on the top of the tooth, and the striads are the indentations on the side of the tooth. The genus Monosaulax are noted for having no secondary faucetids, and the faucetids that are present on the P4 are always straight and perpendicular to the axis of the jaw. The labial side of the P4 is also characterized by a mesostriad. You can see these features in figures 1 through 3. The straight faucetids and the presence of the parafaucetid, mesofaucetid, and metafaucetid confirm that these specimens are from the genus Monosaulax. To diagnose the specimen to species, I noted that there are only 2 known species of Monosaulax that were present in the John Day fossil beds during this time period: Monosaulax typicus and Monosaulax progressus. Monosaulax typicus is having a much smaller size, no lingual striads, more faucetids on the lower dentition, and no parastriads. This specimen met all the defining requirements of Monosaulax typicus. Monosaulax typicus was a very small-bodied, semi-aquatic beaver. Their skull structure and dentition suggest that they had digging and burrowing capabilities. Their dentition also suggests that Monosaulax typicus was a herbivore that had the ability to feed on grasses, leaves, and seeds. The extensive wear and the reduction on crown height on the teeth on this specimen suggests that this individual was not a juvenile, but rather an adult who wore down its teeth over its lifetime. This specimen was one of many specimens found in the Twin Butte locality. Ongoing research in this site shows that other taxa have lived in the Middle Miocene. Some other known taxa include rhinoceros, amphicyotids, Meryhippus, just to name a few. Continuing work on this site will contribute to our understanding of the evolution of Oregon's terrestrial vertebrates during the period of warming in Oregon's past. I would like to thank Samantha Hopkins for advising me on this project and being an amazing mentor who has guided me through this whole process. I would also like to thank the Museum of Natural and Cultural History for supplying me with the holotype specimen of Monosaulax typicus to compare it to this new specimen that I used in this research project. I would also like to thank the Bureau of Land Management and the Twin Buttes Ranch for land access to collect these fossils. This project would not have been possible without any of you. Thank you very much.